This conference call, kind of outlining what we're seeing. What did you hear?
What the United States is doing, historically speaking, is trade terrorism. For this round, $200 billion, for example, I think President Donald Trump is completely miscalculating, because between China and the United States, the total picture is not only trade in goods, but also trade in services, but also American invested companies operating in China. For the American companies operating in China, the total revenue on an annual basis is above $300 billion US. Therefore, if the United States keep levying such tariffs on the Chinese goods exported to the United States and corner China, China will have no other option but take actions against the revenues coming from the US invested companies in China. And this includes a whole range of companies, including Ford Motor, General Motor, for example, you name it.
Financial Times, they say every economist knows that the effective way to reduce a trade...
The China-U.S. economic relationship cannot be reduced to the trade deficit. This is a relationship of foreign direct investment on both sides. This is a relationship in which you have 250,000 Chinese students studying in the United States, and all of the money that they're spending, you know, not only at the universities, but in university towns. This is the summer season, right? The vacation season. Last year, Chinese tourists spent $33 billion here in the United States. This relationship cannot be reduced only to the trade deficit, and I think that's a mistake.
Here, it's the playbook from the 1980s. It's what the U.S. did to the Japanese with tariffs in the 1980s, and as a matter of fact, some of the same people are in the administration from that same era, and it just won't work because there are many, many American companies that rely far more on selling products outside the United States, and they need those trade relationships outside the United States more than they need to bring in products into the United States.
Well, and if you spend any time in China, you walk a